Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Terra landing craft in Warframe. First, you will need to understand its purpose and benefits. This craft offers unique tactical advantages during specific missions, making it a valuable asset for any Tenno. We will cover where to find the necessary blueprints and how to gather the required resources. Getting this landing craft will significantly enhance your gameplay experience. To begin, you must acquire the main blueprint for the Terra landing craft. This blueprint typically drops from certain Grineer-controlled missions, often during invasion events or specific alerts. Keep an eye on your in-game alerts for opportunities. Additionally, the individual component blueprints, such as the engine and fuselage, are usually found in different mission types or from specific enemy drops. Persistence is key here. Once you have all the blueprints, it's time to gather the crafting resources. You will need a variety of common materials like ferrite and rubido, which are easily farmed on many planets. However, some rarer components, such as argon crystals, will also be required. These decay over time, so farm them close to when you plan to craft. Don't forget to save up a good amount of credits for the final assembly. With all blueprints and resources in hand, head to your orbiter's foundry. Select the Terra landing craft and initiate the build process. The crafting time is usually 48 hours, so be patient. Once complete, claim your new landing craft and customize it to your liking. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your gaming setup. Enjoy your new tactical advantage in the Origin system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.